Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the useful features. Here, as you can see, we have the grid lines option, so by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. For now, let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera, and here, as you can see, we can see these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to this button, to the gallery, we can't see them, so these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course, when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the left, slide once again to the useful features, tap on this button. So for now this option is turned off and the grid lines have gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.